Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make beef stroganoff. So let's get started. I've got here 1 kilo of rump steak which I have cut into small pieces, or you can always cut them into strips if you like. 500 grams of mushrooms which I have thinly sliced, 1.5 cups of hot water, some oil for cooking, 1 large onion thinly sliced, 300 ml tub of sour cream, 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, salt to taste, half a cup of plain flour, 1/4 cup of red wine, 3 cloves of grated garlic, half a teaspoon of freshly ground pepper, 2 beef stock cubes, or you can use chicken stock cubes if you like, and you will need a plastic bag. Take the hot water, crush the 2 beef stock cubes into it, mix it well and put it aside. Now take the plastic bag, add flour, pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. Twist the bag on the top and shake the bag well. Now add all the beef pieces. Twist the bag on the top again and shake the bag well to roughly coat all the beef pieces with the flour mixture. You do not have to completely cover the beef pieces, we just want to roughly coat it. Empty the whole bag into a big dish and put this aside. Take a big pan, put it on high heat, add 2 tablespoons of oil and heat it for 30 seconds. We will be cooking the beef in 2 batches. When the oil gets hot, add half the beef pieces and fry it for 3 to 4 minutes or until the meat turns brown and take them out in a dish. Repeat this process with the remaining beef pieces. Now decrease the heat to medium, add 2 tablespoons of oil and heat it for 30 seconds. Add onions and garlic. Give it a mix and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes or until the onions are translucent. Add mushrooms. Give it a mix. Put a lid on and cook it for 5 minutes, stirring it twice during cooking. After 5 minutes, add the meat, tomato paste, red wine, and the beef stock. Make sure you mix up the beef stock before you add it because it will settle to the bottom of the dish. Mix it well to combine. Put a lid on and bring it to a boil. When it starts to boil, give it a mix. Put the lid back on, leaving a small gap for the steam to escape. Lower the heat and cook it for 10 minutes, stirring it twice during cooking. After 10 minutes, add sour cream, mix it well to combine and cook it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, taste your salt. You can always add it according to your taste and turn the heat off. My beef stroganoff is ready. You can serve it with pasta, mashed potato, or some hot chips. Enjoy. If you like this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel.